observe mo na, sir, our brother. So, ato na silang bantayan maayo, we will do our best. It was not only that our children are missing active playtime while mesmerized their diet in a growing problem. Since hamburgers, minute hamburgers with cheese and french fries, pizza, junk foods, and all the chips and pop become the preferred food for their taste buds. Vegetables and fruits seem distasteful. Wa tayo sila ganahin. Basta ibutan mo sa labisa ang pagkaon, you will ask them to choose. If you allow them to choose which food they are going to eat, when you put all these fried foods and the vegetables and the salad and everything, they will always choose the fried food and the meat. Now, girls, how many girls have you observed this time that they observe